Jordan Brand holiday season announced, Jordan 4 Reimagined on foot, and shock drop rumors going around. Let's see what's going on. Starting off, this is what the holiday list is looking like for Jordan Brand for 2023, and we have a lot to talk about. The first one on this list is the satin red Jordan 1, the women's exclusive. That's right. Now, the reason why I want to start with this one is because there's a bunch of shock drop rumors going around. If you haven't seen recently on the SNKRS app, as I put up on the screen right now, they had a poll talking about would you be team early access if they dropped early. Of course, everyone wants them early, and that's why there's a bunch of shock drop rumors going around all over Twitter, all over the internet. So just know that's why people have done it. This shoe is okay. I wish they would have done extended sizing. It would have made the shoe better. But for me, this shoe is not a must cop, so I'm going to pass. They are set to release on October 18th as well, so be ready. Mark your calendars. Along with the satin red ones, we have the Air Jordan 1 Reimagined Royal set to drop on November 4th. This shoe, I think people like more than the satin red, but still not a must cop for me, and I don't actually need this in my collection. Now moving on to the Jordan 3 Off Noir. I've had a lot of people ask me about this shoe. This shoe is super wearable, and it may be one of those threes that sleep on us, and they're going to come up in value over time. They are set to release on December 7th on the SNKRS app, so be watching for those. Now, I'm a huge Jordan 4 fan, but these Jordan 4 olive just aren't hitting right. For me, I'm passing on this. I'm shocked to say that. I don't know what it is about the olives, but maybe with the lace swap, I would change my mind. But for now, the olive Jordan 4 set to release on November 18th are probably going to be a pass for me. I can't believe I'm passed on a Jordan 4 like I said, but something just isn't right for me on this one. Now, another fan favorite is the Jordan 12 Cherries. That's right, the Cherry 12s. A lot of people want these. I personally am not a big fan, but I know everybody likes Jordan 12s. Love this one. They're coming out on October 28th with a $210 price tag, and the demand behind these will be absolutely wild. Once again, let me know your favorite holiday release down below. Now, on to my favorite release of the dropping holiday season, the DMP 11s. Now, you're asking, why is this your favorite release? I love holiday 11s because that means it's holiday time. It's a lot of fun. This shoe won't be hard to get, and everybody will have their chance to get a pair. They're dropping on December 9th. I know when these drop, we are right around Christmas time, and it's going to be a lot of fun. I do know the retail price of $230 is absolutely insane, but there's always so much demand behind this shoe, it doesn't even worry me. And overall, that's a summary of the Jordan Brand. Of course, you can go look at everything else dropping. I just hit the highlights because there's way too much to cover in one video. Now, moving on to the Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined. Now, this shoe, we had such high hopes. The original Bread 4s are absolutely fire. The quality, the materials, they're great. Now, for this one, the all leather material on this just makes the shoe look kind of cheap. I feel like this shoe is not going to hold up over time. I'm not even excited for it. Now, the hype may get to me because, you know, as we get closer and closer to time, like, man, maybe they're not that bad. But I'm telling you this much, looking at the shoe itself, I feel like the toe box creasing is going to be so bad, like over time, if you actually wear these, if you beat them into the ground, they are going to look terrible. And look at homie right here wearing them with no socks, man. Homie is wearing no socks. Thank you, Z Sneakerhead, for posting this. I did pull that from their Instagram. And let me tell you something. With the no socks, it just kind of threw me off here. I know. If there's some socks on there, maybe some fire socks with your shoes, they're going to be good, or maybe some fire cargo pants with them. But these are set to release on February 17th on Michael Jordan's birthday, so we'll see how they are in 2024. Now, another hot topic here, the Ma Maniere 5. Now, these photon dust photos look way better than the burgundy ones, and this is kind of what they're looking like. For me, if I had to choose between the burgundy and the photon dust, this would be the one, but overall, I'm not feeling the Ma Maniere 5. Ma Maniere 4 was good, but you could see these, and the burgundy, here's the burgundy that I was talking about, man. They just look dirty. I've seen them on foot. It looks like you're buying a dirty Jordan 5, and I know some of you guys like this look, but for me, it is a pass. Let me know down below, are you going to be picking up the Ma Maniere 5s? Let me know down below, are you going to pick up the Jordan 5 Ma Maniere? They're coming at a $225 price point, and their release date is set for November the 22nd of 2023. Now, moving over to Yeezy time. It is October. It is time for this to happen. We took September off from Yeezys because that's how it was supposed to go. I'm expecting the second or third week of October, we're going to start seeing Yeezys. Yes, nothing's loaded yet in the US, but we do know some sites have dropped early on these back in September. Not for us, but we do know if other sites are getting them, or if other countries or regions have got them, that means they're on the way to the US. We haven't had a set time yet, but the biggest one dropping is probably going to be the Yeezy Vermilion Foam Runners. Everybody wants a pair of those. The price tag on these are super, super high, and I feel like that's why people want them, but be watching throughout October for more Yeezys to happen. Overall, guys, that's what we have to look forward to over the next coming weeks. September was a lot of fun. Now, the rest of the year, Q4 is going to be absolutely insane for Jordan Brand. I'm so excited. I know I threw in a 2024 release with the Reimagined 4s, but we had to talk about it. The homie was wearing no socks on that, and we had to see what they looked like on foot, and I just wanted to give you guys my opinion. But guys, let me know what you're most excited for down in the comments below, and thank you guys so much for being here as always. Love you all for real, and I'll see you guys on the next video. I'm out of here. Peace.